Hello, my name is Bridget Wagner, and I will be presenting about the effects of swimming on the brain and mental health in people. Okay, first off, we will discuss the gene GFAP and how swim impacts it in the hippocampus. The GFAP is responsible for the formation of glial cells found in the central nervous system. These glial cells are also called astrogliosis, and they help restore and repair damaged tissue and clean up decaying neurons called dark cells. Similarly, BDNF is produced when swimming and promotes neuron growth and survival of neurons. BDNF also increases neurons' ability to form new pathways and strengthen old ones, otherwise known as neuroplasticity. All of this allows the hippocampus to grow and encode more things because the dark neurons have decreased, so there is less energy in fixing and regrowing neurons. Thus, the hippocampus can dilute its capabilities to other growth and changes in the structure. Moving away from the hippocampus, swim and exercise in general has shown to increase serotonin expression rates and therefore decrease depression and anxiety symptoms. For example, in a study done on socially isolated rats, or rats expressing depression and anxiety symptoms, they were shown to have an increased level of serotonin in the brain and less social isolation after swimming. So those symptoms decreased. Most of these studies that I found used physiological psychology methods to study how swimming affects the brain and stress responses. For example, to stimulate anxiety in mice or rats, they use certain methods such as tail clamping or fasting. Um, and then the rodents were then tested after that in a forced swimming test or a maze box to measure their response and behaviors. Later on, they were sacrificed and their brains were dissected, and proteins and other levels were taken from that. So why swim? What's so special about swim? It's actually a very low impact sport. It's great for your joint health. The gravity is low in the water, so it has a great relief on the body. The rhythmic moving and the intensive workouts have shown to be a great stress reliever and also stimulate your hippocampus and encourage it to grow. It also relieves symptoms of anxiety or depression, and it has shown to, again, improve your hippocampus abilities and can encourage it to grow. Thank you so much.